Hello, my door closer collector friends. Um, I got this closer up here. I tested it before and it runs pretty good. It closes fine, but I did find a rust spot. It is up where that arm is right there, but other than the rust spot, I didn't see any other rust spots. Maybe there's like a rust spot somewhere up there or down there, but nothing like major. So I thought I'll give you a demonstration video of this closer, and yes, it does hold open. Now we're gonna Now, like I said, I didn't adjust the speed, so whatever speed it came with, it's right here. Go ahead and so yeah, I just thought I would give you a little demonstration video, and then here's the other one right there. Alright folks, this is the demonstration video of this Robi door closer man, or Goodman, whatever it says up there. Alright, thanks for watching.